Welcome to the world of giant wood cutters. Discover the incredible power and speed of these advanced machines as well as their essential applications in forestry. Experience this won't disappoint you. Let's get started. This video highlights their outstanding features, the stark contrast between the beauty of natural resources and the ancient methods used to process them. Mahogany is a highly prized hardwood, but this saw lacks the precision and efficiency of this design. With modern equipment, processing wood by hand not only takes a lot of effort, but also increases the value of the product. Risk of damaging the wood. Investing in updated technology would be a wise move for this operation. Wow, this video is a true testament to the power of modern sawmills. The automated cutting and feeding process is extremely effective in minimizing waste and maximizing productivity. Look at the precision of those cuts. There's some serious technology at work. Advanced automation technology equipped with double mill, vertical band and four-saw band, fully automatic facility. This dynamic optimizes each step of the process. Using advanced scanning and automatic optimization, it achieves maximum recovery while trimming up to 40 panels per minute with a real VR40F cutter. Impresses with its production capacity astonishing up to 500 cubic meters in just 8 hours. Mayer VTZ sawmill not only revolutionized the saw industry but also the 39th revolution is determining the future of the industry. John Deere 1470 grams is a monster. I have run many harvesters but this one takes the cake. The CH9 needs to be extremely precise even with giant trees. The H425 head is a workhorse that chews through wood with ease. This is the perfect combination for high performance logging. If you're looking for a machine that can handle anything you throw at it, then this is it. I was amazed to see a lumberjack cut down a 200-year-old tree. I like how they carefully wrapped the chain around it so it wouldn't break, because the middle of the tree was rotten, so the tree was dead before they cut it down. Meet the Kogan 718E material handler for tree care. Allied, your ultimate for demanding projects. Whether it's landscape maintenance on busy streets for logging or precision pruning near roads, electrical wires or driveway, a maximum reach of 0 to 13 meters makes it the perfect partner for every job. The mission is about the incredible performance after these lumberjacks took down a giant 200-year-old tree. It's time for the extremely dangerous tree stump excavator to demonstrate its power with ease. It handles a sturdy tree stump without leaving a trace. Simply overwhelming. Get ready to be amazed by the Rodney H2D harvester, a power plant engineered for ultimate efficiency and final felling operations designed to thrive in dense forests. This harvester boasts impressive stability and powerful power, ensuring optimal performance even in the harshest conditions. Equipped with a powerful diesel engine, This harvester produces high torque across all RPM ranges while providing significant fuel savings, praised by customers for its fuel economy with reported consumption as low as 0.35 L per filler. And this is the icing on the cake. Just 2 to 3 pH and tram of the Blue AD mix further enhances its effectiveness, making 10EH2D rod a real share in the forestry industry. Get ready to be blown away. Fly with the Rotten H11D harvester, a true force to be reckoned with in thin and light tree felling operations with a powerful hydrostatic engine transmission and articulated frame coupling. The Rotten H11D excels at navigating challenging terrains with great precision and efficiency, but that's not all. What really makes it stand out is the exceptional operating experience it offers when entering harvester and preparer cabins. Marvel at the comfort and unmatched visibility it offers, ensuring operators can tackle every job with ease and confidence. Unleash the raw power of the Husqvarna 365 chainsaw with its powerful 5.8 horsepower motor and 28-inch blade. It brings unprecedented agility and power to your large woodworking jobs. You have to experience it to believe it. It's about to be attacked more by the harvester dangling from the 240, a marvel in the weight class built with insights from forestry pros. Weighs 50,000. It easily conquers steep hills and rough terrain, rugged with drawback pull ratio in excess of 1.3 to 1. With iconic electronic hydraulic controls, the system is designed specifically for Barco machines, giving the operator precision and customization. Unprecedented tuning thanks to dual swing drive motors that deliver continuous rotation, and an incredible 50 T87 FTLB of torque. Introducing the refurbished Varna Husk Professional Chainsaw. Forestry equipment. The WC 2300 XL whole tree chipper provides a powerful solution with a variable speed dual feed line and smart crush technology, which efficiently processes materials, turning wood and cuttings into products. Fruit ultimately have added value, are resistant to wear and can be easily replaced. This equipment makes maintenance easy, practical and cost-effective to produce impressive wood chips and food using an excavator to remove tree stumps. Introducing Bosch Lead's Edge Cutting Peeler is designed for safety and convenience, easily converting logs for optimal use. This high-quality machine ensures each step and point of operation is a seamless circuit, streamlined with an adjustable feed operator that can adjust surface quality for impressive results. Swift and 9 runs at a rate per minute. It easily handles logs of any diameter up to 15 centimeters plus the built-in push fan automatically removes the processed debris, which simplifies the entire peeling process. I believe this machine will peel a piece of cake. Every time I log in and check the Mucher IM650, it easily tears up that dry root like it has no amazing power. Have you seen the Nava S23C harvesting head in action? It is both affordable and lightweight, but is equipped with advanced features such as automatic demarcation and cut to length. What is even more impressive is its efficiency, requiring only one directional valve from the mechanical machine gas and operates with only 40 min of oil. Like all chainsaws, the Huser 3120 XP boasts an outstanding power-to-weight ratio with smart start motion as well as well-developed anti-vibration and convenience features. This large chainsaw is both easy to start and easy to operate. Workhorse with 246K iron, 330 HP wide chassis and unmatched long-term stability. Maintenance is made easy with easy-to-access parts, and the optional RCS rapid cycle system adds flexibility for the operator, plus a 30 PHN tram increased cutting path ensures maximum productivity. This machine is a game changer in forestry. The 570 fixed head design combines the best of two proven technologies, the Tiger Cat 570 harvest head and the Tiger Cat 300 140 degrees wrist with durable, high performance features and standard wristbands, maximum dexterity and control for precise tree felling and feeding. Production introduction: Jack 400 Combi, the ultimate forestry excavator attachment designed specifically for North American tasks, costs around €8,000 for this game-changing equipment, helping to revolutionize operations, clears trees with excellent performance and efficiency. It is BioJack 400 Combi. Cutting and disposing of trees has never been easier. The innovative design helps users tackle forestry tasks with precision and speed, making it a must-have tool for any forestry operation. Say goodbye to traditional methods and hello to a new era of efficiency with the bio-based Jack 400 Combi. As oil and fuel costs increase, governments and industries are urgently looking for an alternative energy sources for used wood chips, emerged as a promising option for electricity generation. Congratulations everyone! Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy these innovations. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. If you like the video, please like and subscribe for more interesting content. Best of all, see you next time.